Cheers. So good.
David Beckham collaborates with a new coffee machine, Ninja coffee machine. So definitely he gets to prepare his unique signature coffee. Other people were really surprised because he gets to make an extraordinary coffee machine. For those that really want to purchase it, go ahead and do. So we get to find out that David Beckham is definitely invested in this new coffee machine. So what do you think about such a nice coffee machine from David Beckham? So that is the different types of coffee that it's making. Very unique and very good. People are like, how is it coming out so super dark brown, dark in color? I would really want to have a test.